What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series with an awesome new spray out. This is where we take Rustoleum colors and then we shoot pearls, flakes, candies, all kinds of different additives over top of them to create new interesting color combinations that you guys can try out yourself at home. This is not just limited to Rustoleum though. You can also use this in automotive applications. These are just to showcase products and colors. Today, I got an awesome one for you. Another Ultrashift from My Candy Pigments called Amabie. It's A-M-A-B-I-E. So however you pronounce that, it's Amabie. But it looks like green to blue to purple to kind of a, crazy Ultrashift. I mean, that's just, I don't know how else to put it really, because you know how these Ultrashifts are. They shift all over the place. And as always, they're best to shoot over a gloss black. So that's what our plan is for today. I got a fender prepped up behind me. We're going to base it in gloss black Rustoleum. And then we get in to shoot some of this Amabie Ultrashift from My Candy Pigments. Let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our gloss black laid down on our fender behind me, so you know what time it is. Today I'm going to be using my Finish 1 clear coat. The best clear I've seen to use over Rustoleum. I've had zero issues with it. It's a 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. I'm doing 5 ounces total into this mix, 4, 1, 5, and this right here is a Amabie Ultrashift. Now like I said, this looks like it is a green dominant, but it has blues to pinks to purples to who knows what. We really won't know until we get it in the mix. This is a 1 gram sample bag, and I'm just doing the fender behind me. So what I'm going to do, game plan with this is, I'm going to take this Amabie, I'm going to put it all into the mix, and then I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Amabie before we even get mixing, and then once we start mixing, we should see it come to life a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Blues, greens, pinks, purples. Dang, a little bit of everything. That's pretty crazy. Man, this is going to be an awesome one today, guys. I can't wait to spray it. But before we do that, we got to load up the old V-Roll gun, and then we can get the spraying. Alright guys, so I got my old V-Roll gun loaded up with some of this Amabie Ultrashift from My Candy Pigments. It's a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI wide upper trigger. If you decide to replicate those settings, feel free to. The way I'm going to approach this, as always, is do a light coat first. Make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-ups. 3 coats seems to be the sweet spot for these Ultrashifts, guys. So just kind of go with the flow with it and see where you end up. But anyways, guys, enough chit-chatting. I'm putting my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so Amabie Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. Now this was a tricky one to kind of catch on camera. As you can see, the dominant color is that green, and then it shifts at really hard angles to purples, to blues, to what could be expected. So it is a crazy one, but it's one of those ones that's a darker overall pearl, especially with the shifting and stuff. So it looks kind of more mature, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Amabie Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black. Now, like I said, I did end up doing 3 coats to get full coverage on this. And the dominant color is a rich looking green. And at different angles, obviously it shifts blues to purples to pinks. A little bit of everything. One thing I did notice is it has a darker tone to every color. So it's a much richer looking color shift compared to some of the other more vivid ones. It was a cloudy day out, so I tried to get as much footage as I could out in the light, and then when I actually put the light in the shop on this, like I usually do, it was just silvering out everything, so I wasn't getting really good true footage that way, so I just left it without the extra lighting on it, and just kind of showed you the kind of the richness overall of this Ultrashift. And it's a little bit different than some of the other ones. Some might like it, some might not. But ultimately, that's where you guys come in. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you want to spray with a Amabie Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments, I'm an affiliate. I can get you guys a discount. Links will be in my description. And at checkout, you click those links and enter WAW Shop, WAW Shop. That gets you a discount, and it goes to support the channel. Also, the Finish One clear coat, the paint gun, the mask, everything I use on the channel is in my Amazon store. Just check the description. It says ASCII on YouTube. You click that link, it takes you to my Amazon store, and you can buy everything there for the same price I get it. We do get a small kickback, but like I said, you get it for the same price I get it, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like these test spray outs, so that's exactly what they are. Sometimes the finish ain't always perfect on it, but we're showcasing different color combinations and stuff that you guys should use on your next project. And hey, you guys can make it perfect. I'm just showing you different choices of stuff you can use. But anyways, if you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification right beside it so you don't miss an episode, and just take 1 second before you click off this video and at least hit that thumbs up, drop me a like so the algorithm will spread this video out more so everybody can see the color combinations. And if you really want to, drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's spray out. What would you like to see that we haven't already done on this channel? I've got over 100 plus spray outs, so definitely go back and check out some of my other videos and get those wheels turning for projects you got coming up with different color combinations you can use. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching this today. I hope you'll continue to join me. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.